openings from each side of the master bedroom. Her section, his section.
Josh, this tub would be perfect for one of us. You could have your whole family.
This really is. I mean, this is one of the best views of the house here because you have these beautiful balconies which sit off of each of the bedrooms, which is nice. You have a view of your auto gallery, and then of course you get to wake up to amazing sun.
Listen, can we go see the penthouse? That's what I've been dying to see.
Let's do it.
All right, we're gonna go to the penthouse level. So on this level here, we call it the penthouse level.
Yes,
And you have basically it's your own apartment on this level.
exactly.
Again, every single room we've walked into, Josh, has a full kitchen.
Yeah, I love this stone over here. The color's really nice, and then the way that it's book mashed, each one of these slabs is.
Every floor is just different than the other one.
Yeah.
This is particularly special. I noticed this downstairs when you walked in, but like you're saying, Josh, to see the veins run throughout this entire thing, I mean,
I tell you, this
look at that
is
view.
even bigger than a decent 3 bedrooms in Dubai.
Oh, I believe that 100%. By the way,
yeah.
we're not even noticing one of the most beautiful things to look at in all of Dubai on the side.
Yeah.
I'm sure at night that's got a glow and really looks stunning.
Yes.
Hold on, here we go. We got to do a selfie, all of us. Get in.
Let's do it.
Here we go.
When
Dubai.
in Dubai.
Dubai vibes. Habibi.
Habibi!
There
Come
it
to
is.
Dubai.
I love that.
Wow. Wow, what a great outdoor space. Full kitchen.
This is for your party. You know?
Wow.
For parties.
The view is
How
incredible.
many people do you think they can be here?
I'm sorry, I'm more impressed by this island. That's the biggest island I've ever seen in my entire... This has its own zip code. Look at the size of that thing.
Yeah, it's huge. It can accommodate like 20 people.
It's just your closest 20 friends.
Wow.
Yeah.
This is the ultimate entertaining deck up here. I love it. You do feel like you're in a penthouse up here.
100%, and not just a penthouse, but one of the most beautiful penthouses I've ever seen in my entire life.
You get some awesome key, very well-known.
The skyline is very important in Dubai.
I mean, you're looking at over 180, maybe 270 degrees of views, and you're looking at iconic
Burj
buildings.
Arab here, you have Mall of the Emirates this side, you have the metro station super close to you. Just saying again, this is the Bentley showroom.
Well, that was one of the most impressive houses I've ever seen in my 20 years of selling the nicest houses in the world. This is unbelievable.
I got to tell you, everything really is bigger and better in Dubai, and this is a special home.
So, address and price again.
So this is in Jumeirah Shif. This is one of the luxurious areas in Dubai, very special area because of the location and the neighborhood you have it. This is the plot size of 15,000 square foot, built up area of 25,000 square foot, 5 bedrooms, 14 high-end bathrooms, 100,000 square foot of travertine, 5,000 square foot of mirrored ceilings, $29 million. It's just, this is beautiful mansion. One of the best things that you can see ever in your life.